There was a recent study in which people were asked to complete basic social tasks with a humanoid robot, a very cute humanoid robot named Now. I think we have a picture of him. Very cute.
Oh.
Yeah, and they were asked to ask different questions about planning a schedule and other things, ostensibly to help improve Now's algorithm. But that was not the true test here. What happened at the end was with half of the people in the study, so there were 89 in total, approximately 44, 45 people, when told to turn off the little cute robot, the little robot begged them not to by saying, please do not switch me off. I'm afraid of the dark. Please don't do this.
Oh, man.
And what they found was 13 of the people took pity on the robot and refused to turn it off because he begged them not to.
Wow, you know, that's kind of puts you into that position of like, could I like, you know, could I do this in like a real life?
Please, Father, I want to live.
Well, I'm afraid that's a little out of my jurisdiction.
I want more life, Father.
That's freaky, man. That is too freaky. It's begging for its life. I feel like I personally would be the kind of person that's like, this is just a machine. That's a weird feature, you know?
And you will be the first to go in the robot upheaval. I'm sorry.
Oh, gosh. This is evidence,
never forget.
So
that is how data storage works.
Yeah. I don't know, man. I think that's a fascinating, because, you know, I think when it came down to it, like you see in TV shows, like people were like, I can't do it, you know? But I think when you're put into that situation, a lot of us can't do it, you know?
You know, when I talk to Siri, I generally say please, which makes no sense.
Yeah.
But I just feel like you should be nice to people or things that are helping you.
Yeah.
And that carries through. I mean, this showed that a lot of those people who were triggered by the objection tended to anthropomorphize the robot, to treat it as a real boy, a modern day Pinocchio.
I mean, it's so adorable with those eyes and that small cute mouth, you know, and I guess that when people are put in front of that kind of...
about the size of a baby.
Yeah.
Would you say no to a baby?
Yeah. I guess you also argue that it's like you're telling, like, I'm doing this for you so you can live a longer life. You have to recharge.
You're just rationalizing with it now.
Oh my God, you're right. Oh my God.
That's only for you.
That's true.
Only you talking to your own brain. It's a monologue.
Wow.
How dare you, sir?
We are proving the science experiment right now, right here.
Well,
oh my gosh.
We'll see how this affects human-robot relations to come. But that is it for this episode of Nerd Alert. I want to thank Matt Acevedo for being here.
Thanks for having me.
And talking about the moral dilemma of our tiny baby robot servants. Did you like this video? Great! Never miss another Nerd Alert video by hitting the subscribe button below and ring the bell to get notified whenever we publish a new video.